everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani, and as you read the title, in this video I will be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks or hacks to smell good all the time, because to be honest, carrying an unpleasant body odor can make yourself and the people around you a little uncomfortable. Now don't get me wrong, it's very natural to sweat and it's very natural to have body odor, but when it becomes extremely unpleasant and unbearable, you might need to do something about it, and I am here to help you out. If you smell good all the time, it makes your mood stay fresh, you will feel more confident, and smelling good makes a very good impression, and it can lead to a higher perception of your overall appearance. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to smell good and smell fresh all the time, right? So yeah, let's get into the video, but before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Please do follow me there. And now let's get into the video. Now, one of the reason of your body odor can be the food you are consuming. Like if you are consuming food contains sulfur rich items like onion, garlic, that can cause your body odor. So try to reduce consuming those items and start eating vegetables more, like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbages, etc. When it comes to prevent body odor, the very first thing comes up on our mind is body sprays or deodorants, which are the quick and easy solution. But have you ever thought that most of them contains harmful or toxic chemicals like paraben, sulfate, etc., which can be harmful for your skin? It can cause rashes and also some allergic reaction. So it is very important to use toxin-free deodorants like I am using right now. So this is the super smelly toxin-free deo spray. Super smelly deodorants are 100% toxic-free, made safe, certified by Safe Cosmetics Australia. Now, as I said, it's very natural to sweat. There is nothing wrong in that. But when the sweat comes in contact with the bacteria on your skin, then it starts to smell bad. And this deodorant helps to kill those bacteria too. So yeah, this deodorant contains ingredients like aloe vera, which helps heal your underarm skin, tea tree oil, which controls body odor and also lightens darkened skin, witch hazel, which kills bacteria, denatorium benzoate, which prevents skin infection and rashes, and it reduces moisture and oil trapped under skin, and it is safe for all the skin types. Two of the important places where you should apply deodorants except your underarms are your neck and your wrists, so always apply deodorants there. They have a varieties of ranges in their toxin-free deodorants, and here I have with me is called Sweet as Sin. As the name suggests, it's literally smell like very sweet, very florally smell, and it's so good, like so good. You should try this out. Super Smelly Deodorants is the brand for Gen Z. No other brands available that curate products for young skin. Super Smelly has a different ranges of products from deodorants, pocket perfumes, lip balm, face washes, and their award-winning face packs. You should check their website right now. I will be link their website in the description box down below. And what I absolutely love about this brand is they are gender neutral, environmental conscious, cruelty-free brand, and this brand not only formulates products keeping young skin in mind, but their products are also dermatologically tested. My next tip is try to take bath twice a day. In that way you will stay more fresh whole day. And here is a little hack that you can try out. Sometimes when you are taking bath, it's a little time consuming, but if you have that much enough time, you can try out. So for this hack, take some neem leaves in a bowl full of water and then boil it and then cool it down, and after taking bath, wash your body with this water. Just apply it where you sweat the most. Let this water soak on your skin and then wipe it off. Neem leaves has antibacterial properties, so it works as antiseptic. It's a little time consuming, I must say. I don't use this hack on a daily basis, and instead of that I use this deodorant, and it works the same because of the ingredients. Next hack is wash your clothes every single time you wear them and use antiseptic liquids to wash them. Wear clean clothes, try to wear breathable clothes, cotton and linen material wala clothes, and also clothes which fits you a little loose. And yeah, that's all about this video. I hope my tips and tricks and hacks will help you out to smell good. Do check out Super Smelly's website. I have linked their website in the description box down below. Also, there is a discount code, so don't forget to check the description box and check out their amazing products too. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up if this was helpful, comment down below please, and share this video with your friends and family. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.